afternoon, guys. How you doing? It's Chaz again from JTech. Another first year. Right here, we got the ElectroStem trainer for you guys, and we're pretty much going to go through a test using the multimeter. That's what we're going over today, and we're going to talk about voltage, resistance, voltage drop, range, and a couple other things used by the multimeter. Okay. First thing I'm going to do, this is a light tester right here. And I'm going to go ahead and show you the different points on the ElectroStem trainer, showing you that we have power. All right. Check right here, we've got power. Check here on the relay, we have power. All right, on the motor. No power on the motor right now. On the switch, we got some power. Now switch on. Then we got power. As soon as I switch on the switch. All right, turn this off. All right, next thing we're gonna move into here is the multimeter itself. And what we're gonna do is check the voltage and check the voltage. We're gonna switch from the multimeter from off to DC on. All right, I'm gonna set that right there. You wanna make sure your leads, you got your positive power lead, whoops, put that back in here. In volts and ohms, and you got your ground right here, comms, and then we're gonna do is put one end, the negative side, we're gonna put it right here into the ground. We're gonna put the positive side into power. We're just gonna get a reading. You got 13.6. Well, I'll tell you, we'll round to 13.7. Go ahead and round that up. Okay. We're gonna take the positive and put it to the relay. The same, about 13.6. Just guys to show you guys, a little bit of different ranges with the power and how to read it. All right. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna move to current. All right, with current we're gonna go. I'm gonna switch the power lead over here to current. Amps. This. We're pretty much going to do the same thing, and we're going to just check, kind of see what we get, see the readings that we get. All right, one, going to the relay. All right, you guys see that? And going to the switch. Right. All right. Also want to tell you guys about while I have it set up right here, I'm going to tell you guys about the range. All right. And just kind of switch the range. And that switches it from milliamps. That's, yeah. Okay, let me switch it back. Okay. All right, guys. All right, next thing we're going to talk about is ohms. Oh, resistance, excuse me. Yeah, resistance ohms. I'm going to go ahead and switch your power lead back to ohms. All right, get that in there. Oops, thanks. Got to remember to switch the multimeter to ohms for it to work. All right, and just pretty much check. You can check your relay. Check your power here. Go ahead and. There we go. Little friendly help there. Appreciate it. All right, now we got our ohms. We're reading 34.1 on the motor. All right. All right, put that back on. Turn the multimeter off. Next thing we're going to check voltage drop. So what I'm gonna do is switch the multimeter back to volts. I'm going to go ahead and take out my ground. And check my motor. Got a little bit of play, but not too much. I'm gonna go ahead and, we're gonna go ahead and check the switch at this point. All right, got a little play here. Now we got 0.8 volts. I'm gonna drop the switch and the relay. About the same, 0.8, well, about 0.7. Okay. All right, guys, listen, that concludes my electro STEM trainer. And appreciate you guys. Have a good day.